I got some new shop tools. I got a planer and a jointer, and also under there's a plate jointer, a biscuit cutter, and a new router, and a big pile of lumber. I'm gonna build a dining table now. I got the legs cut, profiled 4 sides, and the main 7-foot 2x6 boards. I ran them through the jointer on one side only. Now I got to run them through the table saw for the other side, and then I'll hit them with the planer. Tabletop boards are all surfaced and sanded. Time to put some biscuit holes in them so I can glue it together. Okay, the top is gluing up. Got 4 48-inch pipe clamps holding it sideways, and then I made some cawls out of 2x4s wrapped in saran wrap. Sort of a idea taken from Steve Ramsey's woodworking YouTube channel. That just holds the whole thing flat while it glues, and the saran wrap is so the cawl boards don't stick to the tabletop. So hopefully I come out tomorrow morning and this isn't all curled into a Pringle. Well, I got the apron boards cut. Notched out a tenon on the table saw with the dado stack. And so those will fit right in those mortises on the legs. Alright, I took the clamps off the tabletop, patched all the little holes, million little knot holes, and a lot of the seams need some putty. That, and also got the legs partially assembled. Got the long aprons put on, clamped up, everything's squared up. I'll let that dry overnight, and then finish assembling the frame tomorrow, hopefully. Table frame has got some glue on it. Everything's nice and square. Just gotta wait a day for the glue to dry before I can start. Put a couple stretchers across of it. I'll just pocket hole those in. And I can do some more sanding on the tabletop over there. There is the coat of Jacobine Minwax stain on the top, and I got some primer yet on the base. I'll need another coat of primer, then some paint, and then some polyacrylic. And I'll do polyurethane on the top. Got a coat of top coat paint on there after 2 coats of primer. And we got my first coat of semi-gloss varnish on the top. There it is, it's all done. I just need to make some matching chairs, or buy some. I'm gonna make a matching bench for one side.